Hello my little cucumbers, today we make a beat based on profile picture. Searching some dope shit. Oh, опа. Skelet. We turn info studio. Where is my skeleton? Oh, skeleton. When I see what this picture, I already thinking it's something like and I like to put some guitar FL. Блять, I didn't remember something with S. Fuck shit, блять, finally fuck. We search for piano roll, pitch corrector, and then we click there and what this? I finally make a melody. Yeah, I little corrected. No shit, but maybe effects will help us. Hello, cucumbers. Ну, бля, короче. Cucumbers, I make like this effects. Yeah, I added bass guitar. No, a little bit stupid maybe, but I want this group. Here is first jitter, I make this, it's now. No, unique epileptic sound, yes, Dolby Digital. Fuck, I didn't like it. I cut the bass from bass guitar, I don't care. Case, I added a few drums and added bass. Here, bass with drum. Shit, yes. And I do more. I will put master and listen. Saturnite. Saturnite. Here is full beat. Skelet. Bro, literally me. Put likes, send your profile pictures. Goodbye. Thank you.